So we got our cool shade tree Corvette 91. The Targa top on it is messed up, broken in 2 areas. I try to put it on a certain way, and we're gonna get this thing repaired for sure this time. It's split right here on both ends, so it doesn't allow me to be able to lock these down in all 4 corners like it should, thus making it be raised up, water get in, and very windy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use one of our thread kits. We're gonna put some thread inserts, probably the smallest ones we can find, match it up with some of these Harbor Freight bolts, and get it going. Meanwhile, on the 85, we're gonna redo this placard right here. Pretty much do it all black. Letters will be red. Outside will be chrome. So it'll match the 85. It's by 1.0 on this. And show you, this is aluminum, so it's very, very easy to drill through. The deeper the better. We just don't want to go all the way through it. The scuffy we use, almost like a Brillo, super fine. Alright, light sticky coat first. You let that drop for a second, then you'll come back and go heavier. Number 2 pass. So we got 1 thread there for our boat. She's a little wobbly, but she should be alright. After you drill your boat hole, you're gonna get your threader. Kind of hit it into place. And then I always use like a socket, 12 sides. And you gotta make sure it goes straight. If it don't go in straight, then you're screwed. So on your little tool, put you some thread locker, preferably red, so it won't come back out, but it's not going to come out anyways. And make sure you go straight. You shouldn't have any resistance when you're putting your heli coil in there. Okay. This little piece knocks out, has that little part that you grab this on, so we should be able to put our screw in there now, just like that. We need to make a little bracket, keep these things together, and actually we're gonna also make us the bracket too. I don't have any, so we'll cut it something out to size, weld them together. A nice wet coat. There she is. We took the long bolts, cut them shorter to fit. We got a little bracket chilling here. We'll crank this thing down and she'll never come apart again. Oh, she's sturdy, boys. We're gonna go ahead and get back to taking off the Targa top completely. We already dismembered it from our top itself. Tried to get this thing really buttoned up because it was broken. This is why I was making the brackets. You can see broken in the corners. I'm gonna have to come up with a little bit something different. So if y'all haven't done it yet, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Comment if you like what you see. Comment if you don't like what you see. Share to your friends. We're always doing custom crap over here. Puro Mobile. To the next time.